Today I'm going to show you the over-the-head wrist roll. This move is a combination between the over-the-head spin and the regular wrist roll. If you haven't seen those videos yet, I'll put links in the description, or if you click the little eye in the top right hand corner, you'll get to those videos. Here's how it's done. The first way I'm going to show you here is a bit easier. You're going to start on your left side in a right hand forward reverse strike position. You're going to let go with that left hand. Bring the bow across the body towards the right and up. Once again, it's to where you can't spin it anymore, which is about horizontal here. You're going to release with the right hand. It'll continue around the wrist. You're going to rotate the wrist back, grab it as soon as you can, and you continue on your way. The second way is a bit trickier. You're going to start as if you're doing an over-the-head spin, but instead of passing it into your left hand here, you're going to do a wrist roll, releasing with the right, letting it spin around, catching it back with that right hand. From here, you're going to do another half spin, so your palm's back facing towards you, catching your left hand, let go with the right, you continue on your way, put it behind your back, whatever you're going to do. Before trying this trick, you do need to have really good wrist rolls. To do both variations, you need to be able to do them both ways, so make sure you got that first. As well, when you're doing it above your head, gravity will try and pull it down, so you can't take too long, and you may have to adjust a little bit by bringing your hand down as you do it, depending on how fast you are. Thanks for watching the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions below in the comments, and check out my channel for more videos.